Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change currency type for a cell in Google Spreadsheets. To do this, first you will need to select the cell that you want to edit the currency type for, navigate to the format, then in the text, number, you'll be able to find the currency, make sure you have it set like that. Then there's the custom currency, and now you'll be able to switch between different options. In this example, we're gonna go for PLN. Hopefully there's one. Nope. So let's just go for the US dollar instead of the dollar sign. Or actually we can't, so never mind. Let's just go for the British pound instead. Click on apply, and the currency should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.